Hello, I'm Sam Lesson. I'm one of the co-founders of Fin, and I'm going to give a very brief walkthrough of the key components of how Fin works. We'll first discuss the experience of Fin that team members have. To collect continuous process information for your team, Fin runs a lightweight Chrome plugin on each of the team members' machines. By default, the plugin simply sits in Chrome, and the team members really don't need to interact with it at all. There are many options we've built based on customer feedback that some organizations choose to use, like allowing pausing a recording, redacting, direct annotation, etc. But for most teams, these options really don't apply. The three things that frequently come up in people's minds when we discuss the plugin are, first, privacy. We have powerful features that mirror how your organization wants to customize what's recorded. The second thing is security. Our tool is designed for enterprise. We have work in place around SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR, customizable retention policies, and much more. The final thing that comes up is performance. The plugin has been designed to not impact system performance and is highly customizable for options for people who want deeper control. If the plugin is how operations team members experience Fin day to day, the other half of the equation is how managers and administrators use Fin. There are two major components, analytics and video replay. Administrators can log in and access our default dashboards, which give great depth on overall team, user, and case performance out of the box. We'll go over examples of exactly what this data can tell you about your team in a separate segment. While our default data views are almost always quite useful, we work with people to customize the views they need of their data, and our API lets you take integrations into your own existing systems even further. We won't go into too much depth on the technical organization of our data, but suffice it to say that we store information in three key structures: periodic heartbeats, a moment-to-moment page event stream, and a model of cases that we extract automatically. These three models merged together give us a very powerful but easy to work with data model for answering all sorts of key operational questions. If that's the brief story on data, the other side of the Fin coin is video replay of any moment. Using Fin, administrators and managers can search over the data by case ID, user, URL pattern, and a lot more to get to exactly the segment of work they want to review. Once the segment is selected, you can watch the video at high speed across multiple monitors, drop in annotations that are shared with team members, and do things like generate clips for training materials or brief other coworkers outside of your organization. Think of our video player as effectively Twitch or Nest or YouTube, but for all your operations work. Finally, a quick note on management and customization. We're an enterprise-grade platform, and our service offers powerful workflow tools you can use to customize Fin by automatically tagging cases for review and a whole lot more. So Fin works well out of the box, but again, we're set up to match your organization's specific needs. In conclusion, at an absolute minimum, our video review tools coupled with our data can dramatically speed up shadowing, QA, debugging review processes that you really already need to do. We let you do these things both in a more targeted and more efficient way. Fully implemented, however, our deep analytics coupled with game tape review of operations work can deeply change how you approach continuous improvement as a team and take a data-driven approach to managing people, process, and tools. You can learn more at fin.com and feel free to reach out personally to me or my co-founder, Cortina.